guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a get ready, well not really a get ready with me, somewhat of a get ready with me, but this is like a date night hair and makeup look. Today is Valentine's Day. If you didn't know, it's love day. I don't have a Valentine. I mean, I'm my own Valentine. This is a look that I will wear if I was going out on like a date or something. I have on this red dress and you know, my gold little jewelry or whatever. Yeah, this is how I would be looking if I was to go out tonight. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. So this is the hair in this like natural state. It's like wavy, as you can see. When I was making the wig, the hair was definitely tangling up, but once I brushed it out, it's very like soft and, you know, not tangling or whatever. It definitely was shedding, but I did cut a lot of the tracks, so it might just be from that. But today I'm literally just gonna flat iron it bone straight. Today's Valentine's Day. Happy love day to everybody. Yeah, this hair is very long, so I want to just have it like bone sleek straight. It's very nice and flat because I cut the tracks, so more towards the top. So yeah, that's literally all I'm going to be doing. And then I'm going to do a Valentine's Day look. Well, I'm actually going to do the Valentine's Day look that I did in my little shoot that I did. I only posted one picture and people were asking like for the look. I didn't film it, so I figured I might as well just do that today since it is Valentine's Day or whatever.
You rockin' with a real one, and when I'm in it, you be maxing on a million. And when I hit it back to back, you make me still come. I know them bitches hating on you, we gon' kill them. That's fact. You feel the vibe, it's contagious. Look in your eyes, it's dangerous. Bricks full of head on the pages. I know you going through pages. You taking pictures, know your angles. Ooh, no, we ain't perfect, but we damn close. Ooh, you give me something I've been paid for. That's what it's like. Hey, you know you bad, bad. You know I let these shorties that tryna tag back. You wanna project, but so excited. Just give me all of that pussy, so many others. You got me all these different arms. Why you being soft? You know that I want you. You really been working. You deserve a virgin. Girl, you so contagious. And that's just so dangerous. You feel the vibe, it's contagious. Look in your eyes, it's dangerous. Bricks full of head on the pages.
Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see, but like I keep going over it and it's really hard. I don't know. It's like not getting bone straight. It might be my flat irons, but it's still really wavy and it's kind of, I don't know. My flat irons are on 450 degrees Fahrenheit. These are like really hot and it's like still wavy. Like I have to go over it like a million times. So I had to go steal my little sister's flat irons, and these work a lot better than what I've been using. I think it's time for me to get some new flat irons. So even though I switched flat irons, it's like the hair is still, I have to go over a million times. Like, and I'm really not going to sit here all day and flat iron this, try to flat iron his hair. So this is like as straight as it's going to get. I'm trying to just make sure that the outside hair is like at least bone straight. Like this hair is really long too, so just imagine how long it's taking me to try to get this shit straight. Very pretty though, very silky, very nice. It smells really good now, but yeah, this is just half of it done, and I'm just gonna do the rest and come back because it's kind of taking me forever being that it's not getting straight. So I actually ended up finishing my hair somewhat. Like I feel like this is just as straight as it's going to get unless I want to sit here all day literally to try to get this shit bone straight. I probably will try to go over it like once more once I'm done with this look. This is how it's looking. This wig is very full. I used all 3 bundles in it actually. Very full, very long on a person that's 5 feet tall. Almost to the bottom of my butt, honestly. Yeah, that's how long this is on me. Now we're on to the makeup look. This is the makeup look that I did in my shoot. As you can see, obviously I did one eye already. Now I'm gonna just do the other eye for y'all. I'm trying to get this done quick because I want to upload it today, so that's why I'm trying to like kind of move fast. But the first color that I started with was this red right here. This is actually a Coastal Scents palette that I made. That this is like used to be my holy grail. I used to use it like in all my makeup looks until I got more palettes, but this is the first color that I'm using. I'm using this Morphe brush M535. I'm just gonna put that in my crease. Then I'm gonna take this color called Sparks in the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna put that like deeper in my crease. Then I took some glitter glue and I carved out a half cut crease kinda. So now I'm gonna take Bling Bling and Glitz and Glam and I'm gonna mix them and put them over the glitter glue part. And then I took the red from the Coastal Scents palette right here and I put it kind of like on the outer parts of the half cut crease. Then I took the darkest red that I was using, Sparks, and I put it like in the outer corner. I take some glitter glue again and put it right here, and I'm gonna put a little bit of glitter in like the first half of my eye, or like the inner corner of my eye. And then the last step, I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Mega Liner and do a wing liner. And with this look, I actually was wearing lashes, but I don't feel like that today, so I'm just going to put on a whole bunch of mascara. I'm using my favorite mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Paradise mascara. This is like the best mascara, in my opinion, for my lashes because it makes them look really long. So, the look is complete. I really, really like this hair. It's just so long. This is like stripper hair, sis. So this is my Valentine's Day look, and I have this dress on because, you know, it's date night, we going out. Like, this is a cute dress I got from Forever 21. It's like a bodycon dress. This is actually from their like Valentine's Day collection or whatever. I was actually going to do a Forever 21 haul. I might still do that because I got some stuff from Forever 21. But yeah, this is what I would wear if I was to be going out on a date or going to the club, you know. The hair is still kind of wavy. Like, I don't know, I've been trying to keep going over it for the past like 30 minutes and it's just not getting that straight. Maybe another day I'll try to, like, one day I really have like a lot of time on my hands and I don't have anything to do like all that day, I would try to like get this bone straight, because I feel like this wig would be so bomb if it was like bone straight, because the fact that it's so long and it's really soft too. And it actually has not tangled. Usually I'm iffy about really, really long hair because a lot of the times it'll start to like get tangled like at the nape of your neck, or like just because it's long it'll just tangle a lot. But this hair has not tangled yet. So I'm surprised but also happy, because who wants their hair to be tangled and up? But yeah, thank you to ISHOW Hair for this hair. It's gorgeous. I love it. Thank y'all for tuning in and, you know, showing me love in my videos. Also, I'm going to be announcing the winner to the wig giveaway in my next video, which will be like somewhat of a vlog, well, a vlog style video. I started it like a couple days ago, but I never ended up finishing it. I wanted to actually have my face done and stuff while I was like announcing the winner and stuff, so now it's the perfect time. I'm gonna actually finish that video up. But yeah, I'm gonna put all the names in like a bowl or something on pieces of paper and pick from like that. So yeah, just make sure y'all stay tuned for my next video. If you entered the giveaway and you are waiting to see if you won anything, stay tuned for that. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.